So I just thought I'd do like a quick update on the markets from my Sunday weekly analysis, and what you can see is my GJ analysis was incorrect. Well, so far anyway, because I was expecting bearish price action from here. Price has just been pushing up. I did think we potentially could have got some sort of shift from here, but now I'm thinking price might want to target this volume imbalance on the weekly time frame. But with that said, I don't think I'll be trading GJ. Yeah, my analysis was incorrect so far for this week. I don't get why as well. What's not annoying, but why I don't want to trade it, because we're in this weekly fair value gap, and I'm just thinking like, well, could this be the reason why we've decided to push a bit lower to come into here to then push higher? I don't know, but there's no confirmation for a bullish bias at this moment in time anyway. So we're just sitting on the sidelines. My EU analysis, I took a trade on Monday. I lost. The bias though for the week is still in play. So obviously we came into this area, we've pushed off. Then I took a trade off this area here. Obviously right now we're in profits of about 1.3, 1.5. Trying to target last week low. Would like to see the previous week low. That would be a good gain if we could get that. And then Bitcoin. So as I was saying before my weekly analysis, I said I wouldn't really want to trade it, but if I was, I would be bearish. And also, my plan's telling me to be bearish, but it's stuck in a range. I said I would like to see price basically drop down to this low, take it out, and then potentially climb back higher. So far we're getting that drop. I was going to take part in it. I actually did. Then I closed the position because it wasn't my entry. I was forcing it basically, so I just closed the position like a break even. But so if I would have, I don't know, it might have stopped me out, to be fair, with this little wick. So I can't say whether. I'm glad I closed it, because it probably would have stopped me out, and then felt that would have just messed with my psychology. But so far, price is price is moving down towards its target. Once it hits this target, for me, any sells would be done. So I'll probably just wait to see if I can get a confirmation on the buy side. But also, if we don't hit this target by end of today and we create some sort of entry criteria, I probably will try to get some shorts in, depending on the risk to reward and what's if it's worth taking. But only if I see this target get hit by the end of today, no trades for me on Bitcoin to the downside. I'll just have to wait, see how price reacts to this area, and then see what's the right thing I should be doing. You can get rid of that. Apart from that, nothing much. Just gonna see if this EU trade can give me some decent returns. Yeah, that's it really. Right now it's working. It's not looking. Potentially could shift here with the dollar index. I'm thinking that the dollar index potentially could get up to here. It's only 20 points away. Get up to that area there, and then I would probably. So depending where EU is when the dollar, if it does get up to there, I may have to close my position, because that's a weekly high. It just makes sense to not, if it's showing rejection, learning from what happened last week, just get out, be happy with what you got out of the market, and go again. It's probably going to be a 2.8, something like that. Better than nothing. And then try to get another position in. So yeah, GJ, I don't think it's going to even make sense. Like, if I get an entry criteria that moves on 80 pips to that area, to that zone where I need to be, kind of like okay, what's gonna happen in this area. Depending where we are the next day, really, if it makes sense. Apart from that, it's looking like EU. I'll probably be done with it for this week, and then maybe Bitcoin. But the way Bitcoin's dropping right now, I feel like I missed the opportunity on Monday. Excuse me. Yeah, I should have been in here. Stop loss there. I just held it. Even that 1 to 4 would have been nice. But if we do get here, like, yeah, some decent gains. But like I said, if it comes into here, that'll be a decent trade. If it doesn't, and we're in this range somewhere around here. 247. What's this move from here to here? Yeah, it's a big move. The move's not big enough. But we'll see. I don't know where price is gonna be tomorrow, so there's no point in me really trying to do all this. You know what I mean? I just know, like, as long as this area don't get hit, I can still be a seller. As long as this area doesn't create any confirmations to go to the upside, and then whether I will take that trade depends on the risk to reward. That's just the same for GJ as well, because right now it is clear that it doesn't want to be bearish, so I may as well just look for the longs, and target something this clear volume and balance on the weekly time frame. But whether I do that tomorrow will be whether the risk to reward is worth it. And right now, that is only 85 points. So that I would have to have like a 25 pip stop loss, which on GJ, that doesn't really happen. Like, what was this? Yeah, like, look, that was 46 points. Something like that. But yeah, anyway, that was it. Quick update. Obviously, I'll let you know later on in the week how this EU trade goes. And yeah, that's it. Safe trading.